Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for disability step by step. First, it's crucial to understand the two main types of benefits: Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSDI, and Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. SSDI is for those with a work history, while SSI is needs-based. Next, gather all your essential documents, including medical records, treatment history, and detailed work information. You can start your application conveniently online by calling their toll-free number or by visiting your local Social Security office to begin the process. When completing your application, thoroughness is key. You'll need to provide detailed information about all your medical conditions, including diagnoses, treatments, and medications. Clearly describe how your disability impacts your ability to perform daily activities and work tasks. Be sure to list all your doctors, clinics, and hospitals, along with their contact information and dates of treatment. This comprehensive information helps the Social Security Administration understand your situation fully and process your claim efficiently. Once your application is submitted, the Social Security Administration will begin a thorough review. They will evaluate your medical evidence and work history to determine your eligibility. It's common for them to contact your doctors for more information or even schedule a consultative examination with one of their own physicians. The decision process typically takes several months, often between 3 and 5 months, so patience is important during this waiting period. If your initial application is denied, don't be discouraged. Many claims are. You have 60 days from the date you receive the denial letter to file an appeal. There are 4 levels of appeal: reconsideration, a hearing by an administrative law judge, review by the appeals council, and finally, a federal court review. Seeking assistance from a qualified representative, like an attorney or advocate, can significantly improve your chances of a successful outcome during this complex process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.